she ain't got no money in the bank.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So tonight what we're doing, yeah, you probably can't see that, but that's a spoiler for this car, Lazy. So we're gonna head over to the Wastegate Trap House, aka Emmett's house, and put that on.
I saw, dude!
I saw.
How's it going?
We're good. Mission to go.
Mission to go?
Yeah.
Installing the wang.
The Wang.
Hell yeah.
Doggo!
This is my doggy. I don't know if he's been in a vlog
He's
yet.
the trap lord. This is this is the Wastegate Trap House. Gang gang.
You know it.
He's like, don't look at me.
Be happy, it's just a camera. Let's see what you got in here, buddy. Oh.
Like all flying. Even comes with instructions.
Really?
Look at that.
Sweet. Are you telling? Still gonna send it.
My car is oversaturated in real life.
Yeah. Yeah, for you camera folks out there that know what we're talking about. Speaking of cameras, it's got this new thing, D7200. I'm borrowing Nick's lens right now. It's the 50 mil 1.4, and you know this thing takes some bomb photos, so you'll be seeing more of that. But in the meantime,
woo-wee! This is gonna look fresh.
oh yeah. Dude, that's pretty rad. So fresh and so clean. So are you gonna have to drill your car? No?
I don't think so.
How does it go on then?
It said no drilling required. It's a double-sided tape.
Oh.
Oh yeah, so since Emmett got a new camera, I don't know if you guys follow us yet, but a lot of our content is posted on Instagram, including videos, so you should check out our Instagram page, and I'll put it right here for you.
Oh yeah, and if you want to see a quick example of some of our pictures, let me get the camera turned on.
Eventually.
I don't know if how well that shows up on the thing. This photo is taken courtesy of Nick Tribble, but this is my camera, so I take credit. Sorry. I'm just kidding.
So Emmett and Nick are phenomenal photographers. So they post majority of the stuff on there, and sometimes I post some video stuff, and a lot of it is what ends up on YouTube. So check it out. That's where we do most of our stuff. So what we're doing now, we're taking the Mini Cooper out. That Mini Key.
Shaka, bro.
We're gonna have a mini good time.
It's gonna be mini great.
It's gonna be mini lit. Oh, those are bright. Dang.
Check out, get a nice shot when you open the door of the ground. It's pretty sick.
Wow. That is sick.
Pretty fly, huh?
I wish my Nissan did that.
But then people would call you a ricer.
I am a ricer.
Check out the start button too. Oh yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah, boy. That sounds like a Wii.
I know, right?
Or Super Mario or something.
Here to start out. Put her in sport mode.
Dude, it changes the color of... That is so lit, dude.
Right?
It's sick. Did you see what it said there? It said, let's go motor hard.
Yeah, and did you see it change the car to a go-kart?
Did it?
Yeah. Here, wait. Let me hit it again. Rocket ship go-kart.
Oh, Mini.
And then I gotta put it in driving excitement mode so we can check out the power and torque we're getting.
Yeah, try not to run into me. Hey! Is that an 8-jar though? Alright, let's see how she pulls.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, she pulls, dude.
That
Dang.
was 0 to 60.
Holy crap, that thing's quick. She's quick. Sick. That is sick.
Yeah, I'm proud of my mom for buying this car. It's pretty lit. It's a lot of fun. Don't tell her I did this. Shh. So how's it coming, Josh?
Yeah, it's good, dude. Oh. There's one. Took off some paint with it.
Let's see.
Screw it. Just a little bit.
It's okay.
It'll
looks
buff out.
decent. Looks decent. All right.
It's just a 3.5.
Can you hop around me?
What y'all doing? Huh?
Right there. We are keeping a line so that we know. Oh, actually, can you give me a light? That was really helpful. We're taping a line so that we can get the fitment on point, so it's not all off kilter.
That looks pretty cool.
And then I'm gonna
Look at that
use the
shot.
Sharpie to get so we line up the points perfectly too.
Okay.
So we're just holding it on, hoping it stays.
Trying to get the adhesive to stick, and
Yeah. Top should be good.
It
yeah,
should
top.
be, it'll happen.
All right. You want to release for a second? See
Go.
Oh, that's on there.
Okay.
We got a bit of a gap right here though.
Well, this might work. We'll see. We'll see.
Epic fail.
So, what do you think? Final product?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks great. Like, come back here and look at it.
She got a booty.
Like that looks pretty good. Like,
She got a booty. Let's look at that. Ooh. Okay. Guys ready for some cinematic shots? Watch this.
Watch that actually be like a super dope shot.
Oh, going Dutch, bro.
Going Dutch.